Hey everyone! Welcome to another episode of Planadong Buhay, where we guide you to live your best financial life. It's almost October, and before you know it, we'll be ringing in 2025. But imagine this, starting the new year with a clean slate, no more debt. It sounds great, right? Well, that's exactly what we'll talk about today, how you can become debt-free before the year ends. First thing first, alamin natin, magkano talaga ang utang mo? You can fix what you don't measure. Kaya importante, isulat mo ang lahat ng utang mo. Whether it's credit cards, personal loans, or mga utang sa kaibigan or kamag-anakan. I know it can be uncomfortable, pero tandaan, knowing exactly how much you owe is the first step to taking control. And here's a pro tip, prioritize high-interest debts. Credit cards usually have the highest interest rates, so baka gusto mong unahin yon. Pero kung mas gusto mo ng motivation from small wins, try the snowball method. Starting with the smallest debts first. May isa akong kino-coach. After niyang maka-attend ng seminar ko, na-inspire siyang to take charge of her finances. Pero hindi siya naniniwalang makakawala pa siya sa utang. Pero with discipline and proper planning, hindi lang pala problema sa utang ang masusolusyonan, kundi pati mga goals niya ay unti-unting nangyari. Parang laban. Kung hindi mo kilala ang kalaban mo, paano mo ito mapagtatagumpayan? The same goes for debt. Now that you know your enemy, it's time to create your battle plan. Kailangan natin ng isang realistic repayment plan, hindi bara-bara lang. Set short-term and long-term goals. For example, sa mga short-term goals mo, aim to pay off a small portion of debt every 2 weeks. Long-term goal, full payment by year-end. Create a budget and make sure every peso has a purpose. And eto pa, stick to it. Yes, it can be tough, lalo na kapag may mga temptations na lumalabas. But consistency is key. There are also many apps you can use for budgeting and debt tracking, like Mint or YNAB. These tools will help you keep track of your payments, so you're always aware kung nasaan ka na sa plano mo. Ito ang sample ng tool na ginagamit ko sa coaching session ko. Makikita mo dito kung ano ang mga pumapasok na pera sa atin, pero ang hindi nare-realize ng iba, meron naman talagang sumusobra. Hindi mo lang namamonitor. At kung titignan mo ang mga gastusin mo, may mga bagay dito na pwede mo pang ma-adjust. Now, here's the exciting part, increasing your income. I always say if you can't decrease your expenses anymore, the next logical step is to increase your income. We're talking about multiple sources of income. It can be as simple as taking up a part-time job, freelancing, or using skills to start a side hustle. Meron ka bang skills sa computer? Magaling ka bang magluto or mag-bake? Baka hindi mo alam, you could be sitting on an opportunity to earn more. Plus, when you dedicate your extra income to pay off your debt, you're speeding up the process. Remember, every extra peso counts, especially kapag iniipon mo lahat ng extra income mo to knock down your debt. Oh, by the way, sa mga naghahanap ng side hustle at the same time gustong makatulong sa iba na maging maayos ang buhay pang pinansyal, naghahanap po ako ng mga pwedeng makasama sa mission namin dito sa Cardinal Buhay Financials. Baka gusto mo maging financial planner, tara, join ka! A great mission with great opportunities. I know the holiday season is coming up and it's so tempting to spend on gifts, parties, and trips. But this year, let's try something different. Iwas utang mindset. Kung goal mo talagang maging debt-free, kailangan mong iwasan ang pagkuha ng bagong utang. Plan your holidays according to your budget. Mag-set ka ng amount that you can comfortably spend without borrowing. You can even get creative with your gifts. Gumawa ka ng DIY gifts or mag-organize ng simple, low-cost celebrations. At the end of the day, it's the thought that counts, not how much you spend. Let's be real, there will be days when it feels hard to stay motivated. Hindi madali ang journey na ito, but every time you make a payment, even a small one, you're one step closer to being debt-free. Gamitin mo ang mga small wins na to as motivation. I highly recommend using visualization techniques. Imagine yourself entering 2025 without any debt. What will it feel like? Ano ang mga possibilities para sa future mo kapag wala kang binabayaran? Another tip, share your debt-free journey with someone you trust. Accountability is a powerful tool. Kapag nahihirapan ka, you'll have someone to encourage you to keep going. So to recap, alamin ang utang mo, create a realistic repayment plan, work to increase your income, commit to an iwas utang mindset, and stay motivated. Becoming debt-free before the year ends is not just a dream. It's something you can absolutely achieve with focus and determination. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll experience the freedom of being debt-free. I believe in you. Let's all work towards a brighter, financially secure 2025. Remember, financial freedom is not a distant goal. It's a decision you make every day. Thank you for watching Planadong Buhay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with anyone who needs some financial motivation. See you in the next episode, and let's make 2024 our best year ever. Tandaan, maunlad ang pamumuhay sa Planadong Buhay.